Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening Task Manager as an administrator. Find the precise process name and confirm it runs now. Once done, choose the priority level you want. High or above normal are common for performance. Make sure you understand this is temporary if you only change it in Task Manager, therefore prepare to automate. You will create a compact PowerShell script that targets the process name, checks running instances, and sets priority on each, so the change reapplies every login. You now write the PowerShell file. Use getProcess error actions silently continue, and then set the priority class property to high or above normal. Include a retry loop for late starting processes. Once saved to C, /scripts, run it interactively as administrator to confirm it finds processes and updates priority. If nothing changes, add start sleep and repeat checks. Make sure the script logs success and errors. This helps later when you move it into Task Scheduler. You finish by creating a scheduled task that runs at user logon with highest privileges. Set the action to PowerShell. exe execution policy bypass file C /scripts /set priority PS1 and scope the task to the account that owns the process. Once created, test by logging out and back in. If it does not apply, troubleshoot. Ensure execution policy allows the script, task scheduler history shows runs. The process name matches exactly, and the task runs with administrative rights.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.